so that you're more encouraged. And just like that, we are back with another video. Hi guys, Ashley Nicole here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new, then welcome to my YouTube channel. We've had a couple of changes to our channel, and I was trying to incorporate a couple of new things. We have at the bottom right, pretty sure right here at the bottom of the screen, there's a little watermark that has a symbol that I've created so that if you want to subscribe, you don't even have to go anywhere. Click the little button right here on the right bottom part of the screen and you can subscribe to my channel. It's easy peasy. Also, when you go to the homepage of the channel, on the banner now, click the little Instagram logo that's on the banner and it'll take you right to the page. So I'm making it easier. I'm giving you access with less work. So if you didn't read the title and you just magically happen to click on my video not knowing what it's about, today's video is about me doing the 30-day challenge of running a mile every day for 30 days. I feel like I can do it, you know, like it can't be that hard. You're running 1 mile, right? I'm gonna modify the challenge just a little bit. I'm not gonna run on Sundays just because I'm also doing an at-home workout program at the same time, and so I want to give my body a time and I want to give my body a chance to fully recover. So I've seen this challenge going around YouTube, of course, so I feel like this challenge may be a little bit easier for me. I'm hoping. I did a half marathon. I did the Disney Princess half marathon, and so I'm thinking that I ran 13.1 miles. Running a mile a day shouldn't be that hard. Can't be that hard. Whether you run every single day, whether you run twice a week, you want to go over some of the benefits that we can find of running so that you're more encouraged. Why can't I talk today? So that you're more encouraged. So that you are more encouraged to give running a try. So running has mental and physical benefits, and so I just kind of want to go over a couple of them so that we are aware that it's not just about losing weight.
Relieves stress, improves your mood, increases your energy, increases your cardiovascular health, promotes weight loss, which is the one that everyone knows about. Helps you get better sleep, boosts focus and concentration, helps your memory, it boosts your confidence and self-esteem, and makes you overall a happier person.
Exercise gives you endorphins. Endorphins make you happy. Happy people don't just shoot their husbands. They just don't. If you know what movie that's from, comment it down below. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Good morning, guys. So I just finished day 1 of the run a mile every day for 30 days. I literally just woke up and said, I'll just go for a quick run. It wasn't my best run, of course, because I did it on a whim, but it actually wasn't bad. And then I'll see you guys on day 2. Good morning, guys. And I just actually finished the 2nd day of a mile a day challenge that I'm doing. And I woke up this morning and I actually did not want to go for this run this morning. I was anti it, and it's only the 2nd day. So I'm hoping that I have a better disposition for the rest of the 30 days. But yeah, so I finished it. It actually felt a lot better once I started running. It wasn't like I was sluggish. Yeah. Okay, guys, so today is the 3rd day. I couldn't run this morning because I had to go to work. So I ran at 5:30, got my mile in. I actually shaved off, I think, like a minute or so off my time. And then I'm actually about to go ahead and do a leg workout. But I just want to check and let you guys that I did do my run. 3rd day, made it work, even if I had to do it after work. Okay, guys, so I literally just got up maybe like 15 minutes ago, and I'm supposed to be going to run, but I really don't want to. My legs hurt, I'm sore, and this will be my 5th day in a row, I'm pretty sure. So I think I need to force myself to get up so I can go get this run out of the way. But guys, this is hard. Like, I really don't want to go running today, and I just started the challenge, so.
Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need
Hey, good morning, guys. So this marks the halfway mark of the 30-day challenge. I just finished one of my runs. I really wasn't feeling it this morning, so I have 2 more weeks left of this running thing. I'm kind of annoyed. I probably look a hot mess. I literally just roll out of bed and go because if I wait, I don't want to go. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that this challenge is hard. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do. Yeah, it's a mile a day. Like, it is challenging. It isn't like a mile a day, easy peasy. Your body gets tired. You want to break. And so I just wanted to give you guys a heads up, give a little check-in. 2 weeks. I have 2 more weeks. And I'm so excited for this running a mile a day for 30 days to be over. All right, amazing people, so the joke is on me. I woke up to go running, and it's actually raining, so yeah, I think we're gonna either have to postpone this run or I'll have to double up on tomorrow's run and do 2 miles because it doesn't look like it's letting up any sooner. So yeah, I guess I'll go and start my at-home workout.
ever since I left.
I finished the 30-day challenge. I'm just so excited because that was one of the hardest things I think I've had to do. And whoever tells you this is a great challenge, it's amazing, you're gonna love it, do it, they're lying. I would literally wake up dreading to go running. And I like to run, but every single day of running. Yes, I took a break on Sundays, so it wasn't every single day. But Sundays I was like, thank God I can wake up and like just lay here. I'm thinking like, oh, I ran a half marathon. I'll be fine. I was not fine. There were times running that I was like, I literally want to stop right now. Like I would be like 0.4 in and I'm like, ugh, I could just go home right now. I could just turn around and just go back. Like it was just, but I remember telling myself on one of the runs, because I was having such a hard time. Like mentally, I just was not there. And I remember saying to myself, like, you did a half marathon and you can't run a mile? Are you kidding me? Are you lazy? Like, do I know you? This challenge will definitely test you mentally, because running isn't just a physical like exercise. The hardest part was like getting myself to get up, making myself go out of the door, making myself continue to put one foot in front of the other. Yeah, your body is going to be physically tired. That's also something that I dealt with, just being sore. But to see my results, like I didn't think I was getting any results. I didn't really see much of a difference. I was like, eh. So I have progress photos for the end of each week of the challenge. I'll post them up so that you can see them, but I didn't even notice the difference until I put the pictures all together. I didn't think it had. I was like, I didn't get any results. Like I've noticed like my core looks a lot more like toned, my ab outline, because you don't really have abs, you know. We're working on it, 2020 goals, okay? But when I put the photos all together and looked at them, like you can clearly see me changing. And like from week 1 to like week 2, like my abs were getting a little bit more defined. And you're like, okay, you're starting to look like you got a little package under there. Do you have abs? Do you have abs, girl? And then like you get to week 3, like my legs look a little different, my abs look a little bit more prominent, and you're like, okay, something's happening. Week 4, my legs look so much different than week 1. And then after I did my runs, I feel like I was more productive. I was more focused. I had more like energy. I love my results, and I feel like I kind of want to do like another challenge where I run 2 miles a day every day for 30 days. So if you guys want to see that video, comment down below and let me know if you're like, we want to see you try it, because 1, you're crazy, 2, like see if you get even better results when you do this run for 30 days, a mile a day. Physical's out the door, because the mental is where it's at, because physically your body can kind of do and adapt a lot to whatever you put it through. Mentally, because your brain doesn't want to change. It's like, we don't run this early, we don't do this, and you're like, but we are. And you have to tell yourself, we're gonna run this. And then I started to realize too, like it really was mental, because I would get up to run and I didn't want to run. And the days that like I really hated it, I was in a bad mood when I woke up because I knew I had to go run, I did like the best. Like my time was the best. The times were getting better and better each time. So if you have goals, if you want to see definition, if you want to see a little bit of weight loss, a little bit of tonage, this challenge is for you. And so if you're going to do this challenge, just remember that mentally it's going to be challenging, but the mental challenge shouldn't stop you. It should actually encourage you. You're capable, you're strong, and it gives you a chance to speak positivity, speak affirming thoughts into yourself, because that's going to help build your confidence. I just want my channel to have a focus on self-improvement, loving yourself where you already are, but just working towards where you want to be. Like anything you set your mind to, you can do. That is it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, you want to interact with me, always feel free to do that in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.